Every year after year, Delhi grapples with a crisis, that of us breathing in filth. Air pollution, which is a year-long phenomena in the national capital, hits headlines in winters as the one factor contributing to Delhi becoming a gas chamber. Not just air, Delhi also has a massive toxic drain.
This is the Yamuna River, arguably the most polluted river in the entire country. Research has shown that the 22-kilometer stretch of the river, of the Yamuna River in Delhi city, in the national capital, is actually the most toxic. Industrial wastes are dumped in it. Elections have come and gone. Delhi Assembly elections, also Lok Sabha elections. Promises have been made by MPs that they will work in tandem with the Delhi government, with the Haryana government to clean up the river, clean up the Yamuna, but the results are for us to see. People, in fact, living in this stretch repeatedly talk about how this is a classic example of failed promises, be it any political party, be it any election.
Air pollution and pollution of river Yamuna, most prominently discussed during the Chhat Puja, have fallen off the priority list. Over the past week, Delhiites have been breathing in poor quality of air for 4 days, thanks to dry conditions and dust.
वायु प्रदूषण इतनी भयंकर मात्रा में है दिल्ली में, अगर आप तुलना करें अन्य महानगरों से हमारे देश में, विश्व भर के महानगरों में, तो दिल्ली का स्थान पहले या दूसरे नंबर पर आता है.
The Congress recently said in a press conference that the centre is to be blamed for failing to address the city's environment issues, saying that the union government can ensure control on pollution since issues are related to multiple states, promising that it will solve the problem of air and water pollution if the India bloc is voted to power. But there is just no noise around these problems. Should have MP hopefuls not had this on top of their priority list?
This is an important issue of health. This is an important issue of economy. It's not only an issue of environment. And therefore, I am disappointed, as I said, that the issue has not got the kind of attention it should have, because Delhi is suffering from air pollution. Of course, Delhi is also suffering from different environmental issues. But air pollution is number one environmental problem of the city, Delhi NCR, and the member of people who are contesting the election, as well as voters. We should be concerned about this issue and we should be raising this issue.
Air pollution in Delhi is majorly caused by 11 thermal power plants. In spite of strict regulations to follow pollution control norms, these are being violated. Chemical pollution, widespread deforestation, illegal mining and illegal construction in the Aravalis. Existence of about 350 brick kilns around Delhi, mostly in UP and Haryana. Bhalswa, Ghazipur and Okla, three of Delhi's biggest garbage dumping grounds, also find no mention in campaigns, underscoring the apathy of our netas.
Delhi is a very peculiar city. As I said, you have a municipal corporation, you have a state government, and you have the central government here. And therefore, this is a city where intervention of all three levels of government will be required to solve any major problem. And solid waste management is a big problem in the city. We don't have land to dump waste now. In fact, all the landfill sites in Delhi are illegal. And I believe that, like air pollution and Yamuna pollution, this is also an issue of the parliament.
Citizens, through their charter of demands, have been asking candidates to talk about these concerns that affect Delhiites the most. But who is listening?